If installed apps are not showing on the home screen of your Android device, it could be due to launcher issues, hidden apps, or system glitches. It can also be due to bug or outdated launcher apps which are manually hidden in launcher settings, apps which are not installed properly, restricted profile, limited home screen slots, and system or launcher cache problem. So if you're unable to locate newly installed apps, here's how you can fix it. First of all, check if the app is disabled. Navigate to the settings and then scroll down and go to apps. From here, you can scroll or search for the missing application, and if it's disabled, tap on enable and then go back to the home screen or the app drawer to see if it appears. You can also tap on the three dots in the top and then tap on reset app preferences. This will reset all the disabled apps, notification restriction for the apps, default apps, background data restrictions for the apps, and permission restrictions as well. But you won't lose any of your existing app data. Then verify the home screen layout lock. Some Samsung devices have a feature that locks the home screen layout to avoid accidental changes, so long press on an empty space on the home screen and then tap on settings. Check if the lock home screen layout is enabled. If it is, simply toggle the switch off. Now you can also try reinstalling the application. Go to settings and then go to apps. If the app is already installed, find it and uninstall it and reinstall the app from the Google Play Store and then add the app back to the home screen as described in this step. Reinstall the app from the Google Play Store. Again, long press on an empty space on home screen, tap on settings, and then look for the option that says reset home screen layout. Another thing you can do is you can update your device. Go to settings and then go to software update. Check for and install any available updates. Then restart your device after updating. And if you're using a third-party launcher like a Nova launcher, go to settings and then go to apps and then find your launcher app and clear its data and cache. Last but not least, if none of the above solutions work, consider a factory reset. Back up your important data and then go to settings, click on general management and then click on reset in the bottom. Click on reset all settings, confirm and proceed the reset. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if any of these steps resolved your issue.